हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू साई क्लासेस। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको लीगल डिक्टेशन एट द रेट ऑफ 100 वर्ड पर मिनट विद ज्वाइनिंग शेयर कर रहा हूं दोस्तों। लेट अस स्टार्ट। 05 सेकेंड, 4 सेकेंड, 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। इन interpreting the constitution, it is not permissible in adopt a construction which would render any expression superfluous or redundant. The courts ought not to accept any such construction. Stop. While construing Article 129, it is not permissible to ignore the significance and impact of the inclusive power conferred on the Supreme Court. Stop. Since the Supreme Court is designed by the Constitution as a court of record, and as the founding fathers were aware that a superior court of record has inherent power to indict a person for the contempt of itself as well as of courts inferior to it. The expression including was deliberately inserted in the article. Stop. Article 129 recognized the existing inherent power of a court of record in its full plenitude, including the power to punish for the contempt of inferior courts. Stop. If Article 129 is susceptible to two interpretations, we would prefer to accept the interpretation which would preserve the inherent jurisdiction of this court, being the superior court of record, to safeguard and protect the subordinate judiciary, which forms the very backbone of administration of justice. Stop. The subordinate courts administer justice at the grassroots level. Their protection is necessary to preserve the confidence of people in the efficacy of courts and to ensure unsullied flow of justice at its base level. Stop. We have already discussed a number of decisions holding that the High Court, being a court of record, has inherent power in respect of contempt of itself as well as of its subordinate courts, even in the absence of any express provision in any act. Stop. A fortiori, the Supreme Court, being the apex court of the country and superior court of record, should possess the same inherent jurisdiction and power for taking action for contempt of itself as well as for the contempt of subordinate and inferior court. थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू वेरी मच। यदि आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए दोस्तों, लाइक करना, आप सब्सक्राइब करना और अपने डाउट्स मुझे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे शेयर कर सकते हो। थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू वेरी मच।